Hey, what is up, you guys? I figured I'd actually take you guys with me to the shop because I have a bunch of stuff to do to prep for it next week, and I only got today to do it really because it's already Sunday, and it's not a lot, but it's a decent amount. So I figured I'd take you guys with me, and my buddy's gonna stop down, and I figured I'd clean the cars and clean out the shop. So it'd be a pretty good day to take you guys with me and just, I don't know, show you what every day is pretty much like. It's a little bit different every day, varies from work to work, but in each job, but it's a lot of fun. So I'll just take you guys with me. Just got here and I figured it'd be a much better idea to actually clean out the shop before I pull anything in, because I was sanding a lot yesterday and this place could definitely use a clean. So I'm gonna get to that and then start pulling cars in. Only takes a minute, but everything has to start out with a clean place, you know what I mean? But anyways, yesterday I actually got into a bunch of parts, so my buddies actually dropped off a bunch of parts for me to do, and next week's definitely going to be a more interesting week, because supposedly tomorrow I have somebody that's coming down with their Infiniti, and we actually quoted them out for a widebody install. So it's going to be interesting because it was a really nice kit and I'm excited for it, but more or less, I'm just gonna keep that quiet until it actually gets here. But so this week, my buddy dropped off his Genesis fender, and it's already prepped for paint. Got that done yesterday, which is cool. And my other buddy dropped his RX-7 fender bumper and door handles off. And I can start on the bumper and the door handles today. More or less, if even one of those gets done, that's great, because I'm already ahead of schedule with this. And started the fender yesterday, and on these old Japanese fenders, more or less, a lot of the 3M tape is so old and so tacky, it's like literally stuck to the paint. And this fender's been repainted before. The original color was blue. It was kind of weird, but it's just interesting, like after you start sanding it, how it actually starts turning out. But he actually ordered that. That's an aftermarket bumper. So I'm actually excited for when that actually gets here, like the RX-7, to put the bumper on, install it, and the fender when everything's said done, probably late next week. I'm just excited to actually work on my first RX-7, and actually like make it look cool. But I don't know, I think it's gonna be cool. And either way, he's a good homie, and he said he's gonna pretty much post up at the car show that I have a booth at, and then I'm gonna be bringing the Z and the Miata. So I'm excited for that. It's gonna be all the homies, and I'm just excited for that. But more or less, I'm gonna pull the Miata in and start working and get the door handles pretty much sanded, and go from there, because there's a lot to do today. I can even prep the bumper if I want to, but I don't know, depends on when my buddy gets here. It's supposed to be springtime in PA, and it's cold as hell, and I'm confused on why it's actually supposed to be this cold and why it doesn't keep getting warmer, you know what I mean? But either way, the Miata's inside, so I can actually get started on the door handles. I can prep those and just go from there,
Is the destiny of mankind controlled by some transcendental entity or law? Is it like the hand of God hovering above? At least it is true that man has no control, even over his own will.
Yeah, I think it cleans up real nice.
Hey, dude, now that I think about it, this is a good test. I've been smelling a lot of like mothballs type in my car.
Yeah.
I think it's because of water leakage, and that's the smell I'm smelling. So when I get in this thing, drive later, if I smell mothballs, I'll know it's because of the water leakage.
Yeah, then boom, that's like literally surefire way.
Yeah.
I like when all the cars are in a row. It's kind of sick.
Yeah. It's like, this is the catalog.
Yeah, literally. I'm just like, yeah, it gets pretty deep.
This is the roster, everyone.
I got a decent amount of those handles done, so we're a cool one. It looks so fucking good, dude.
Thank you.
Damn. It does look really nice outside.
Yeah, dude, the headlights look a lot better.
You think they do?
Yeah, you should.
I think they do too, honestly.
Fucking foggy as shit.
Thank you guys so much for tuning in today. I actually figured I might as well take you guys with me and show you what an average Sunday would look like, and when the homies stopped down and just, you know, going through things. But over the course of this week, I actually did manage to get this kit fully installed, and it really didn't turn out that bad. I'd say the front bumper was probably the worst. It was a bastard to actually fit and put on, and I'd say only because, you know, if you know Miatas, they have two bolts that come out the front of the fenders, and it literally sucks. So cut them off, and it actually fit up really, really, really nice. But I know other people would just drill the holes right through and actually be perfectly fine too. But mine was rotted the pellet back, so there was no point in saving it. It was literally just completely rusted, and I was actually surprised that there was a little bit more rust on this car than I thought. But I cleaned it all up in the front, so it's good to go, and all the rust is gone. So, and everything's fully installed and great. So it turned out a lot better than what I thought. And, you know, just cleaning the cars today and having a pretty chill day was kind of nice too. And just getting a little bit of things done, just the parts, and everything's already prepped for next week. So I'm good to go. And like I said, thank you guys so much for tuning in. I appreciate every single one of you. And thank you guys for making this shit possible.